Hi, I'm going to show you two activities that you can do to make learning English fun. The first one is how to write a word using phonics sounds. We've got a picture of a bus here, and the students will know it's a bus. They also know their individual phonics sounds. So we'll get them to say the word bus, and then the teacher will ask, what's the first sound of bus? And the student should be able to say but. We'll then get the student to look around for a B and put it in. We need another letter. We need the up sound. So then the student will look around and hopefully find the up sound. Sometimes they'll get it mixed up with e or a, so we can correct them and make sure they're understanding the right sound. So then we say bus. We need one more letter. What's the last sound of bus? Then the student will try to say bus, bus. Okay, ends in s. So they'll find the s and put it in. And the second game we've got is how to read a word without seeing the picture. So this can be done with any word and picture, and it's really simple to do. They have to use the letter sounds and put them together. This is blending. We will first get them to say each sound individually. S, t, r, r. When they can say them correctly and we know they're making the right sounds, we can move on. We'll get them to say the letter sounds in order, but quicker. So s, t, r, r. From there, we'll try to encourage them to put the sounds together. For example, st and r. And at that point, the teacher will try to get the child to guess what the word is. Usually, at this point, the student realizes they're saying star. Then we can show them the picture, and they know they're right. This is a great skill to teach children because once they understand blending phonics, even for short words like cat or star, they can start attempting to read longer and longer words, and you or a teacher can correct them with the perfect pronunciation.